2011 Hyundai Santa Fe with the 2.4 four-cylinder engine, and today we're doing an oil change. Let's get to it. Come over to our computer. We can see that it gives us quite a few options for which oil to use. It is not that picky, but it does, however, say 5W20 or 5W30 for better fuel economy is recommended. It is recommended to use 5W20, 10W30 above 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So the recommendation, I'm guessing what it's saying, is to use 5W20 or 10W30 for essentially anywhere in North America, I guess, except for in the winter months, I'm guessing, and then to use 520 or 530. So why wouldn't we just use 520 all the time? I'm just going to use 520, full synthetic, 4.86 quarts, which is an oddly specific amount. And we're going to be using the oil filter from CarQuest, Romeo 85334. Let's get to it. Alright. Right here we got our drain plug, and right here is our oil filter. Let's see what size this is. Looks like it'd be about a 14. It's a 13. That's when they're tight. I can't see with my hand. In a good spot. There we go. My God. This time, go ahead and check your crush washer. And this one looks a little chewed up, so I'll go ahead. You can see there's pieces of it starting to come off right there. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this crush washer. It's actually a rubber. I guess it's more of a gasket than a crush washer, but I just call it a crush washer out of habit. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and order one of those. And, well, first I'm gonna do this oil filter. Oil filter. Oil filter. Whee! Give it a good spin, let it start draining. Be careful not to let it spill out of your catch can. Once the majority of it is drained out, I usually get impatient and I just unscrew it the rest of the way to minimize the mess. Go up here, make sure that the O-ring for your oil filter gasket has come off. While your hand is still covered in used motor oil, go ahead and get your new filter, lube it up, and install it. Go ahead and spray this down because it's covered in oil. Give that a few seconds to dry. So, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know what's coming next. Where I grab it and I explain to you, you just got to put it on hand tight. That's it. No tools, nothing. Hand tight. Alright, we got our new drain plug and gasket. I wasn't able to get the gasket separate, so I got a new drain plug to go with it, like $2 or something, so worth it. I'd rather spend $2 than have a customer have a leak. So the new drain plug is a 17 millimeter. Go ahead and put that down tight and just give it a good tug. That's it. Don't go crazy on it. Don't need to break nothing. Go ahead and hit this thing up with some brake clean. Making sure we don't leave a mess. I'm just going to clean the whole pan because This thing's got a bit of an oil leak. I'll let them know about that. And run that can dry. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add our oil. Make sure you tap that down, make sure it clicks a couple times, and you're golden. Let's get to the oil life reset. 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. We just performed an oil change, and now we're going to reset the oil life. Go ahead, turn your vehicle to the on position, do not start it, and within 5 seconds, press the gas pedal down slowly 3 times, all the way to the bottom. Turn the vehicle to the off position, and then start the vehicle. And that's how you reset the oil life on your 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you all next time.